Breaking a mirror may be bad luck, but it's worth it for this awesome table design. For this project, you want to be extra safe, so use protective gloves and protective eyewear. Start with your mirror. Ours was an old one we found in our garage when we moved in. It already had a chip in it, so we didn't mind breaking it. We did this on a drop cloth in our home, but it's best if you do it outdoors or in a garage. Find the perfect coffee or end table. We used a small, inexpensive one from IKEA. Next, line up the broken glass pieces on your tabletop. Start with the largest pieces of glass and then fill in with the smaller pieces. Use a strong adhesive to glue the glass pieces onto the tabletop. After you've filled in all the gaps, add tape around the table edge. I used Gorilla Tape since it's very strong and much wider than standard tape. Make sure the tape is secure all the way around. Now it's time for resin. Don't forget to wear gloves. You'll thank me later. This is a multi-step process, so don't start mixing until you're ready to do the whole process from beginning to end. Start by mixing equal parts of the hardener and the resin. Stir for 2 minutes. Be sure to scrape the bottom and the sides. Then pour from the first cup into a second and mix with a new stir stick for 1 more minute. Pour the resin directly onto the surface of the table. The resin is self-leveling, but you can use your stir stick to help it to the edges. After about 20 minutes, you'll see bubbles appear on the surface of the resin. You can use a butane torch to pop these, or simply breathe on it like I did. It's the CO2 in your breath that releases the bubbles, not the heat. Once the table has had time to cure, you can remove the tape. I used a standing block to file down the sharp and uneven edges, and also to remove the tape residue. I hope this video inspires you to create a unique statement piece for your home.